Do you have to stop and cross your legs when you sneeze and cough? If you do, we've got the perfect solution for you.
So Emsella is a chair that you can sit on, which works on HIFEM technology, which is high intensity electromagnetic technology. This brings about supramaximal muscle contraction to improve your core strength and your pelvic floor, to improve your quality of life. If you're suffering from incontinence, any sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, these things can help improve it.
Miss out on this great offer that we have running through June. Book in your free consultation today.